let's do the responsible thing and start composting. If you want to go deeper, the 26.x modding courses are linked down below. 30 plus hours covering complex block entities with fluid and energy handling, custom mobs, custom networking, and even custom biomes and dimensions. Everything you need for 26.x, all in one place, linked down below in the description. Alright, back and tell you once more, and in this very short tutorial, I will tell you about how you can add compostables to your Minecraft mod. This, luckily, hasn't changed too much. However, it will once again require a new class. Not necessarily, you could theoretically also do it inline in the uninitialized method, but I highly recommend you keep things like this separated out so that you have everything nice, neat, and tidy. For this, in the registries package, if you have it, we will make the mod compostables though. There we go, I'm going to call it mod compostables, and then we will make a new public static void register compostables method exactly correct. It is as if it immediately knows what I want to do. This is not quite right. What we actually want to do is we want to call the compostable registry.instance.add, and then here we can add our items. So for example, mod items.strawberry, and then let's say the strawberry has, I don't know, 0.5 of a value. There we go. And we can duplicate this for the seeds over here. And then I actually don't think we have anything else. So let's say the seeds is like 0.35 or something similar. If you want to know the actual values for the compostables, so the value here is of course the chance at which this is going to increase the level of the composter, you can press the shift key twice and we can go to the composter block. I'm pretty sure this is in the composter block. It is. So we can see here the bootstraps over here. And those are all of the different numbers. So you can see usually seeds are 0.3. That is correct. Saplings are 0.3. Leaves are 0.3. And then, you know, apples 0.65. We got cactus 0.5. So I think with this is actually totally fine in this case. And I actually think that this is a good sort of level for it. Then, of course, the method here still has to be called. So that's going to be the mod compostables.register compostables. And just like that, it is already done. So let's jump into the game and compost some stuff. Alright, friends, back in Minecraft again, and let's see. And you can see, there we go. We can get ourselves not only the seeds, but also the normal strawberries. Of course, those are like 50% chance, and the seeds are only 30. So that is the difference. But absolutely no worries. That works totally fine. And of course, in survival mode, they would also be taken. There we go. That is doing the responsible thing. And that is composting. Nice. And that's going to be it for this tutorial right here. Thank you to all the members on YouTube. But don't forget, if you join as a Stonebricks member, you can get up to 14 days early access, including this video right here. We'll add a custom bush. Hope to see you there. So, yeah.